Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. As I promised in my Tom Brown video, I'm going to share with you how to make Tom Brown porridge for yourself, your babies and everyone. So I have my Tom Brown that I made in my bowl here and I've just added some water. I'll use my hand to mix it thoroughly and it will become a very smooth paste, which is not going to be very thick. It depends on how you want your porridge to look like, but you should make it very thin because when you are cooking it, it gets thicker. So you have to put the flour in a moderate quantity. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share this video so that others too can benefit. And please always tap on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video. So now that I'm done mixing, I have my saucepan with water on fire, and to that I'll be adding some little salt, and when it starts boiling I'll just add my Tom Brown mix in the water, but I'll keep on stirring. If not, it will lead to the formation of smaller or bigger lumps in my porridge. Please, if you have missed my video on how to make Tom Brown, kindly go through my channel, or better still, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can follow the link to watch the full video on how to make your Tom Brown mix. This is a special mix which is good for the family, and it is also good for babies because it helps babies who have been weaned off completely from breast milk because it has adequate amounts of nutrients in it. So you can see as I keep on stirring, my Tom Brown has thickened and I've just added some sugar to it. I'll continuously stir, then I'll leave it to boil for a minute, then I'll switch off my flame. When you take this porridge, you are completely satisfied, and it will take you for about 3 to 4, 5 hours and you don't get hungry. So now I'm just going to serve my porridge, my Tom Brown porridge, and I'll be adding a little milk, but this is optional. You may choose to just drink it after adding your sugar, and you can drink it alongside bread, bull fruits or peanuts. I have a video on how to make bull fruit. I'll leave the link so that you follow it and watch how to make bull fruit too, so that you always pair it with your Tom Brown porridge. I hope you have enjoyed your stay on this channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye.